Guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Timik TV. If you're stopping by for the very first time, you are welcome to our skincare family. To our existing subscribers, thank you so much for supporting this channel. All right, today I'll be doing a review on the product called Extreme White Body Lotion. Yes, this is a body lotion, a 300 ml bottle size, and it is made in France. I'm going to put a picture of the product on the screen so you know what I'm talking about. Now, if you need a good whitening lotion that you don't have to pro-mix, for those of you that don't know how to pro-mix, or for those of you that are scared of pro-mixing so you don't damage your skin, this product is what you should go for. You don't have to pro-mix this lotion. You can use it on its own. It's very good. Just get a nice shower gel to use with it and a good body scrub, and trust me, you are good to go. Now, all you have to do is use your body lotion. I always say use your lotion at night, but if you know you won't be going out during the day, then you can use it during the day and use your sunscreen as well. This product is very good. It's made of alpha-arbutin. You know, alpha-arbutin is a good lightener, natural lightener, and this product does not have hydroquinone in it. It's written boldly hydroquinone free. Okay, it has alpha-arbutin in it. It has argan oil. It has propylene glycol. You know, propylene glycol is a penetrator that helps your product to penetrate your skin very well. Okay, it has lots of natural ingredients in it. Okay, it has lots of natural ingredients in it. If you are using this product, do not mix it. Don't pro-mix it. It's a strong lightening lotion. It's written on the body. It is a strong lightening lotion, and that's just what it is. It's going to lighten you up very well. It can give you like 2 shades lighter. Okay, use it with a good shower gel and a nice body scrub. You can use it with the extreme shower gel I did a review on. I'm going to put a link down in the description box for you. You know, some of you send me messages to your dark and you want to be very fair. You cannot be very fair overnight. Okay, it works in stages. Skin lightening works in stages. If you are dark, you have to lighten up the caramel stage, and if you're caramel, you're going to lighten up a little bit. If you're caramel stage, you have to lighten up a little bit before you achieve total skin whitening. Okay, that's how it works. So if you are light already, you can use this. It's going to make you white. If you are caramel, you can use it. It's going to lighten you up very well. Okay, I think this product costs about 4,000 naira. You can get it online on Amazon, or you can order on Gigi or Jumia if you're in Nigeria. You can get it from a good cosmetics shop. I think this is a popular lotion. This lotion works as, if you know that pure Egyptian milk, it works almost like the same way, but the difference is that you can pro-mix your pure Egyptian milk. I'm going to put the product on the screen, the one you can pro-mix. I'm going to put it on the screen for you. But this extreme whitening lotion, please do not pro-mix it. Okay, I'm going to list all the ingredients in the description box for you to see. If you have any questions, share with me in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.